Hello, I'm Eddie McGill with Rose's Daughters. As you can tell, I'm not a daughter, but the sentiment is the same. What we do at Rose's Daughters is individually take care of each and every one of our clients the way we would take care of our own parents. And that is where Rose's Daughters was formed, was from the concern and the care that the founding members of Rose's Daughters had for their own mom. When Rose's Daughters saw the anxiety that their mother was going through as she was facing a move, they saw the need to help her. They helped her with the compassion of a daughter, with the love of a daughter, and they saw the need to expand that to our whole community because they could see that if their mother was in this position, there had to be many other people that were just feeling overwhelmed and anxious and stressed. So when I took over, I wanted to continue that same process that we've done for years in helping people in the move process, to lower that stress, to lower that anxiety, and to, at the end of the day, make someone happy with their move.